Today we're going to show you how to take out your jaw assembly off your little Herc 2.0 crossbar. Here I got the tools laid out that you'll need. Brass hammer, brass punch, ratchet with a 7/32 Allen head socket, 3/4, 7/8, and a zip tie. Now first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up your arms about halfway, because if they're open all the way or closed all the way, they'll have too much pressure and you won't be able to get these pins out that need to come out for you to pull your assembly out. I zip tie the hoses that connect to this. What you want to do is just wrap it around like that, and that'll keep your hoses from going all the way back and unrolling the hose reel. And then after that, that's when you'll take your 3/4 and your 7/8 and you disconnect these lines. One side's 3/4, the other side's 7/8. And then after that, I like to take these covers off. All right, now that you got the jaw assembly covers off, what you're gonna wanna do is remove the 3 bolts, one for each pin, one on each side and one in the center. And once you get the bolts out, what you're gonna do is take your punch and your hammer, go from underneath, tap the pins out. Now once you got the pins out, you can open your arms manually, create a little more room for you to slide your jaw assembly out. And now you have your jaw assembly out to replace whatever you need to on it, whether it's a whole new cylinder or just one of these lines. After you got it out and replace whatever you need to, go in reverse of the process you just completed. Take your jaw assembly. I like to slide it in from this side because these hoses like to get caught up. It's easier to slide it in from this side. You always get the center pin lined up first. And then the center pin has the grease grooves, the grease fit. Take your hammer. I like to use a dead blow. Always relock tight everything you take apart. Now that you got that one in, you can go to the arms. Move the arm to wherever the cylinder was. So to make it easier, just open the arm where it needs to go to match the cylinder. Lock tight. Put the bolt back in. And then you just do the same for this side. And then you can reconnect your hoses back to the ones off the hose reel. Reinstall these jaw covers, lock tight everything. Bam. Just like that, jaw assembly, take out and install.